Care Mother is portable digital pregnancy care kit. It serves right from data collection, awareness information, tracking, scheduling, basic medical tests, early diagnosis for high-risk pregnancies, and anytime, anywhere connectivity to doctor.
Care Mother is an app and set of sensors on mobile-based application which allows you to perform medical tests at your doorstep, upload it on server, and with the help of which doctor will be able to get in touch with patient 24/7.
It empowers gynecologists' ability to reach and manage many patients and offer them quality services.
Here, the role of this novel application, we found that this will keep the doctor and the patient constantly in touch with each others. Like in pregnancy-induced hypertension or in diabetes, patient can inform their normal urine levels, the urine levels of their protein or blood sugar levels to the doctor every day. And whenever with the slightest doubt of any complication, we can call the patient immediately to the hospital so that we can prevent further serious complications.
Currently, hypertension-induced preeclampsia parameters and tests, diabetes, anemia fever, some special symptoms, fetal heart rate, HB count, weight, pulse rate, etc. can be covered under Care Mother for record and diagnosis and reporting to doctor for analysis. They claim that proper care can save 90% of the mortalities and complications can be prevented. Currently, hypertension-induced preeclampsia parameters and tests, diabetes, anemia fever, some special symptoms, fetal heart rate, HB count, hemoglobin count, weight, pulse rate, etc. can be covered under Care Mother for record and diagnosis and reporting to doctor for analysis.